Launching a new product comes with risk and reward. How do you know it will succeed? In this video, I'll share some ideas to help navigate this uncertainty. Think of it as a decision engine, combining design, costs, pricing, and projections to help leadership with this critical go, no-go decision. Let's get started. To make a launch decision, we need to look at 5 things. Why the product should be launched, what it takes to develop it, how it will be priced, what it will cost to run, and what do the financial projections look like. This directory helps the user orient and navigate through these. Let's walk through each section briefly. Every product starts with a why. In Section A, the product manager lays out the business case, the purpose, the market opportunity, and how the product fits strategically. This section also becomes a reference point for documentation and postmortems. In Section B, we capture the investment needed to get the product ready for market. The product manager inputs how many people will work on it, for how long, and where they're located, since costs can vary by geography. Any additional costs can be captured here. These inputs are then translated into a development plan and capitalization schedule. Next is pricing. In Section C, the product manager defines SKUs, list prices, embedded discounts, and seller flexibility. For example, one SKU, Inside Private, supports up to 200 users with a list price of $150,000. After typical discounts, the selling price lands closer to $120,000 annually. This schedule provides a bird's eye view into the pricing structure to ensure it's clear, competitive, and defensible. Section D outlines the cost to serve each customer. In SaaS, that means usage, delivery, and allocated costs. In this example, these costs have been captured and translated into a per unit cost by SKU. For different products, costs can vary greatly, so it's crucial to collaborate with engineering, FinOps, and finance teams to ensure completeness and accuracy. Finally, Section E brings it all together. To complete the business case, we take the following steps. Step 1. Forecast new customers by quarter. Step 2. Add KPIs like renewals, utilization, and price increases. Step 3. Update best and worst case scenarios. And Step 4. Review the full financial summary. In this example, 24 customers are expected in year 1, growing to 45 by year 4. The model calculates bookings, revenue, costs, and margins automatically, and on the right you can see revenue and cost trends driving an average of 73% gross margin. Together, this gives leadership a clear picture of risk and reward to help them make a final go, no-go decision or ask for more information. I covered a lot in a short amount of time, but I hope you gained some ideas on pricing and using Excel to drive decision making. Each product will have its own revenue and cost profile, so the idea is to create a reusable format that allows leadership to compare launches side by side and make consistent, confident decisions. That's the power of turning spreadsheets into decision engines. Thanks for watching.